Hello everyone, welcome to Educare 247. This is the 8th lecture of current events and developmental issues. This topic is mentioned in UPSC EPFO 2020 syllabus. Educare 247 has started lecture series on all the important topic mentioned in EPFO 2020 syllabus, and in our 8th lecture we are discussing rise in digital transaction. Recently RBI has released a report, and in that report it is showing that in the month of March there is a rise in digital transaction. So we'll discuss that topic in the detail, and we'll also understand the different payment methods. Educare 247 has launched UPSC EPFO 2020 comprehensive course. In this comprehensive course we are providing notes, MCQs, video lecture and 12 full-length mock test. Currently we are running a discount. You can use EPFO coupon code to get 1000 rupees discount. The whole world is locked down, so it will be a lockdown learning at your home. You can study, your study should not be hampered. That's why we are running a discount. So you can subscribe to EPFO course. It will be very useful for your upcoming examination. Recent Reserve Bank of India data shows that month of March have a sharp rise in digital financial transaction countrywide. During this period lockdown was active, so this could be the major reason to sharp increase in the financial transaction, digital financial transaction. The total value of real gross settlement RTGS transaction rose by 34% across the bank, and it is the biggest online method offered by RBI. So in examination it can be asked, which of the following method is the biggest online payment method? So answer is RTGS. The National Payment Corporation of India, which run United Payment Transaction, reported 125 crore transaction in March. So this is also very important. This number has dipped slightly from the last month. This could be slow economic activity due to lockdown. So this is also important point. Because of slow economic activity we are reporting the less financial transaction on UPI. Let us see some more data related to digital transaction. Recharge and bill payments as well as retail banking transaction are the major volume of all the online transaction. NPCI run Bharat Bill Pay, and it recorded 1.58 crore transaction in the month of March against 1.49 in the February. So Bharat Bill Payment shows 1.5 crore transaction in March. According to the data, the use of cash and other cash-based services dipped during the period. Even withdrawal from ATM was very less during this period. This could be because people's requirement for cash have fallen, since spending is mainly on essential services and necessities. People are spending only on necessary services. Other services are right now not active, so people are not spending on that, like going out and eating, like beauty services and everything. The government enabled Aadhaar payment system shows decline of 16.1%. With the help of this service, government directly transfer the scheme benefits, and that is less during this period. It has shown decline of 16.1%. So these data are very important, and this is showing the important pattern of digital transaction. Let us understand about real-time gross settlement. It is an electronic fund transfer method through which money is sent on real-time basis without any delay. So that is also very important. Immediately beneficiary can receive the amount. That is also very important. And gross settlement refer to the processing of transaction on an individual basis, not batch wise system. So that is also very important. That's why it's called gross settlement. And the minimum amount for RTGS is 2 lakh, and there is no maximum limit. This service is not 24/7 active. It is active only during the working hour of the bank. So that is also very important. Let us understand Unified Payment Interface. It is an advanced version of Immediate Payment Service IMPS, round the clock fund transfer services to make cashless payment faster, easier and smoother. So that is also very important. It powers multiple banks account into single mobile application, and it merge all banking services features in one app. So that is also very important. National Payment Corporation of India launched UPI with 21 member banks in 2016. So that is also very important. It has been launched by National Payment Corporation of India. It can be asked, and it is active 24/7, and initial member was 21 banks. So that is also very important point. Let us understand Bharat Bill Payment System and Aadhaar enabled payment system. The Bharat Bill Payment System is driven by National Payment Corporation of India, and it is one-stop ecosystem for payment of all kind of bill. You can access this system from anywhere. So it is called anytime anywhere bill payment services. So that is also very important. You can pay any bill with the help of this system, and it is very reliable and it is very safe as well. Let us understand Aadhaar enabled payment system. It has been developed by National Payment Corporation of India. It allows people to carry out financial transaction on micro ATM with the help of Aadhaar number, and they verify their identity with the help of fingerprint or iris scan. No bank account or no card detail is required for this kind of system. This system adds another layer of security to financial transaction because there is no requirement for bank details. So that is also very important system. It will improve our bank security in a longer run. So remember all these important points. It can be asked in the examination in any form. Hope you have enjoyed the video. If you have enjoyed the video, like, share and comment, and subscribe to EduCare 247. Thank you and keep learning.